Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create Bulleye in gradient using canvas. So this is what we are going to build today. So let's get started. First of all, I have already created canvas, that is ID Bulleye with width and height 500 500. Now let's just start writing our script. Firstly, we will get the element by ID, that is bull ID. Then we will take its 2D context. Then we are using radial gradient to create Bulleye, and that will be x, y, and then radius, then the last x1, y1, and then r1. Now let's write where grad equals to ctx dot create radial gradient. That's the method we use to create gradient. And I'm going to pass arguments, that is x1 and y1, 150 150, and I'm going to start it at radius 0, then I'm ending it at 150 150 and radius, that is 150 second. Then I'm going to add colors to it, that will be used by like add color stop. So grad dot add color stop. So if you will see, our first color in Bulleye is yellow. So in add color stop, first color that is I'm going to give, I'm starting with 0.0 and I'm giving it a color yellow, and I'm taking it to 0. Let's say 200. Now next is I'm going to fill this color, this gradient to our canvas, and we use for that is fill style. So I'm using fill style, that I've given grad to it. Now I'm filling the rectangle, that will be 0 0 300 and 300. Now let's see how it will look. So there you can see it's completely filling the box now. Now next color I'm adding, that is brown. So I'm also starting it with 0.200 and giving it a brown color. So now let's see how it will look. Let me zoom a little bit. There you can see there is some roughness in it. So for that, what we need to do is we will be starting it at 0.210, and let's see how it will look now. So refresh. There you can see there is no roughness now. Now let it be finished at 0.400 and color brown. Now add next color, that is blue in. We also starting it with 0.410 and giving it a blue color. Refresh it in the browser. So there you can see it's now brown is formed a circle now. Now let's start with the next color. Now let me change it to first light blue color. Add new color, that will be at 600. That is same light blue. Then next color adding at 610. That will be white, and stopping at 800. Again white. Let's see how it will look. There you can see 3 circles are formed of Bulleye. Now let me add next color, that is 810 and black color, and till 1 let's say black. So you can see last circle is not formed, that is rectangle still now. So for that we will now change the last one finish point to 0.99 and add one more color stop till 1, that will be white. Now let's see how it will look now. Refresh the Chrome and there you can see it's now formed a circle, that is our bulleye is created now. So in this video I have explained how to create bulleye in gradient. I hope you really like this video. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.